Technology provides incredible tools for learning and entertainment, but unchecked screen time can disrupt a child's sleep, schoolwork, and connection with the rest of the family. This happens silently, leaving a child isolated in the dark, focused solely on the blue light of a tablet long after they should be asleep. We will address this by building a customized family tech agreement, a system designed to teach balance and safety. This is a tangible, living document that will capture your family's shared rules and keep everyone accountable. To start, set aside a dedicated time and bring a pen and paper. Crucially, your children must be seated at the table with you to participate in the process. Starting this process as a collaborative negotiation establishes you as a partner in building healthy habits. Gather the family at the table and state clearly that these rules are being built as a team. Explain that the goal is to protect their well-being and build trust. When children understand the reasons behind a boundary, they are more likely to follow it. Ask your children what they consider fair. Avoid the temptation to simply read a list of pre-written demands, which can cause children to disengage from the negotiation. Step 2 establishes your priorities. The foundational concept here is that digital entertainment follows real-world duties. This is the responsibilities first rule. It mandates that essential daily tasks must be finished before any screens are activated. Specifically, this includes completing all homework, finishing assigned chores, and fulfilling family duties. By making screen time a result of finished tasks, you create a predictable schedule for the day. This provides a clear answer for when gaming or videos can begin. Step 3 defines spatial boundaries. Identify specific physical locations in the house where screens are not allowed. The most critical device-free zones are the family dinner table and areas used for interpersonal conversations. You can enforce this by using a designated drop-off point for phones before everyone enters the dining area. Step 4 introduces temporal boundaries by establishing a non-negotiable tech bedtime. Pick a shared charging area strictly outside of all bedrooms, where all household devices will stay for the night. As the evening ends, every family member plugs their devices into the central station. This physical separation removes the temptation of late-night scrolling and helps protect your child's sleep schedule. These spatial and temporal boundaries are the next additions to your official rulebook. Physically managing where devices live is more effective than trying to police behavior behind a closed bedroom door. Step 5 focuses on content. Reach a mutual agreement on which apps, websites, and activities are appropriate for your child's age. If you use parental controls, explain why they are active. Tell your child they are used for protection rather than for spying. The effectiveness of these rules depends on parental consistency. To maintain this consistency, include a parent pledge. This requires adults to follow the same spatial and temporal boundaries set for the children. This means if you receive a mobile notification during a family moment, you ignore it to remain fully present. Children are likely to reject the agreement if they see the adults breaking the rules to check work emails or social media. Add the content guidelines to your document and include a signature block for the adults. Because a parent's actions carry more weight than their words, honoring the parent pledge provides the credibility needed for the whole system to function. You have now built a customized, fair, and consistent set of household rules. Every family member should sign the document before you post it in a highly visible communal space. This is a living document. Renegotiate and update the terms as your children age and demonstrate more responsibility. Remember that these rules are designed to protect well-being and strengthen family trust. Talk together, set rules together, grow safely together. By tackling digital safety as a unified family unit, you are building a household that is safe, responsible, and digitally resilient.